So ngayon gusto kong tanungin dito Jessica Francisco, pero kilala din natin bilang Mary Ann Maslog. Opo. So, i-address ko kayo bilang Miss Maslog, kahit gusto nyong i-refer sarili nyo bilang Miss Francisco. So, Miss Maslog,
Madam Chair, Madam Chair, before you continue,
Senator De La Rosa.
can we make a formal declaration from the resource person kung sino ba talaga siya? Ano ba talaga identity niya? Before we start questioning her.
Yes,
Is-
Senator De
is
La
she
Rosa. Ang
Jessica
hirap,
Francisco
Opo.
or what's the other name?
Mary Ann Maslog.
Mary Ann Maslog.
Opo. Ang hirap, no? Hindi lang isang tao yung dinidetermine natin yung identity.
Mahirap.
Dalawa pala. Okay.
Can we
So, ma'am, ano po ba ang pangalan nyo? Sino ba kayo?
Good afternoon, Madam Chair. Good afternoon, good senators. I'm Jessica Francisco.
Okay. Yun
And,
po yung sagot niya.
I'm Jessica Francisco, sir.
Okay. Yun yung sagot po niya, Senator De La Rosa.
where did we get that name, Maslog?
Mayroon pong mga artikulo, including investigative articles na lumalabas na sa media based on linking to previous cases na kinilala itong tao di umano bilang sa isang dating or totoo niyang pangalan bilang Mary Ann Maslog.
And she was
Sir,
arrested, Madam Chair?
yes,
Within
Senator.
the Senator, but she was
Yes.
arrested or she was detained. I don't even know her status right now
Yes.
because she is Mary Ann Maslog.
Yes,
Is that
Mr.
correct?
Yes, Senator Joel. And for the record, dun sa tanong din ni Senator De La Rosa, Mary Ann Maslog, yung di umanong namatay na textbook scammer, pero Jessica Francisco, yung bagong pangalan nila. So, yun po, Senators De La Rosa and Joel.
Mahirap mag-start mag-imbestiga ng tao, Madam Chair, na hindi natin ma-establish talaga yung real identity niya to start to begin with. So, ikaw ba talaga yung Mary Ann Maslog na accordingly involved sa textbook scam at may istorya na namatay?
Your Honor, I invoke my right to keep silent because we have a case right now.
No. You
Sounds
cannot
familiar,
invoke that
Senator De La
right.
Rosa.
You cannot invoke that right because kung sabihin mo yung mayroong Supreme Court ruling dyan, walang sub-judicial rule cannot apply in legislative inquiry in aid of legislation. You cannot invoke that right. Kaya nga, klaruhin natin ito kasi para tayong gago dito, nagtatanong kami sa iyo as Jessica Francisco, tapos ikaw pala, Mary Ann Maslog din. Then, klaruhin natin ito. Dahil, para mong niluloko yung committee nito kung hindi ka magsabi sa totoo mong pangalan.
Senator De La Rosa, baka pwede nating tanungin ng NBI?
NBI.
Si Attorney Magno, i-establish yung identity ng resource person. Attorney Magno, please.
Good afternoon, Madam Chair, honorable senators. On September 25, our Fraud and Financial Crime Division conducted an operation for against certain Dr. Jessica Francisco and allegedly one who is Mary Ann Maslog. In this particular case, they were able to confirm through forensic that this Jessica Francisco and Mary Ann Maslog is one and the same person.
What particular, Madam Chair?
Yes,
what
please,
particular
Senator
forensic
De La Rosa.
evidence can you provide this committee stating that he is one and the same person?
It is a fingerprint analysis, Mr. Chair, Madam Chair.